Hey everyone, is your Apple Pay transaction failing due to an address verification issue? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how to fix address verification failure on Apple Pay. Here a quick guide to fix it. First of all, ensure the billing address linked to your Apple Pay matches the one on your credit or debit card. To update it, go to your iPhone settings. Tap on Wallet and Apple Pay and select the card causing the issue. Tap Billing Address and enter the correct address. After that, double check the address with your bank and card issuer to ensure it matches exactly, including abbreviation or formatting. Finally, if the issue persists, contact your bank or Apple support for assistance. That's it. You are now ready to use Apple Pay with interruptions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.